told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
用的这个花椒叶如果不把它剪掉的话，它会影响主枝的营养，最终会影响结花椒。你看，我们摘了满满的一篮子花椒，回家给你妈做好吃的。
哦，好的。
老板儿，花椒给你摘回来喽。
摘了这么多啊？这么多花椒咋个吃哦？
今天给你安排一个花椒宴，一共准备了4道特色的花椒美食：鲜花椒芝麻鱼、酥炸花椒叶、鲜花椒霸王腿儿、鲜花椒蘸滑肉。无论你做什么菜哈，想要好吃，这个食材一定要新鲜。兔子肉的话，也是四川人的最爱吧。全部宰成这样小捆的。滑肉汤的话，是每一个四川人应该都吃过的，并且也是最简单、最美味的农家美食。鲜花椒搭配新鲜的小米辣来炒腿丁，鸡蛋、面粉、淀粉，先给它调一个脆皮糊。清洗干净的花椒叶放进去，搅拌均匀。鲜花椒和大蒜籽给它捣碎，用来做一个蘸水。加一点青椒末，用热油淋上去，等会儿放点酱油蘸水就搞定。 欢迎大家来陈家品美食、赏美景，体验不一样的乡土人情。